Walking tour on Christopher Street Day in Hamburg, Germany, on Saturday the 5th of August, 2023.
Rundgang am Christopher Street Day in Hamburg, Deutschland, am Samstag, den 5. August 2023.
I will be on the news today. There are cameramen and they have shot many shots, have taken many shots of me. And I think I will be on the news today. That is good. That is very good for me. Now this seems to me like a walking. You see, this seems to me like a walking from a group maybe, and then another group maybe. And I like that dancing thing, walking like dancing. And with this flag, I don't know, I can smell the beer on the air. Just look over there. I think I'm not going anywhere today, even if I'm going to sleep on the streets. Oh, I hope to find a heavy girl. And we just got lost on the street. Oh my goodness. There is also an ambulance ready for accidents, for emergencies. I don't know what is this. and why the policies.
Cool.
Yes, thank you.
Cool.
Thank
Can you
you.
put it outside and make a picture from you, yes? Look at me, my friend.
Not out.
Yes.
Thank
Thank you very
you.
much.
Yeah. Thank you. I told you I have a lot of people here with cameras taking pictures of me with my hat, and I will absolutely be in the news. Oh, I hope that. That means I am catching the news, you know. I am catching the cameras, the lens. I am catching the lenses of cameras. And I say I'm catching the lenses of cameras only because of my appearance, my hat. You know, I think this is the first. Wow. 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 مبالغة هذه مبالغة.
Right.
Thank you. A beautiful girl just has given me this one. She is beautiful.
Wenn Sie einer dieser netten Menschen waren, die mit mir interagiert haben, lassen Sie es mich bitte wissen und erfahren Sie in den Kommentaren etwas über sie. Danke.
This is my habit since 2017.
Aktivismus ist seit den 70er Jahren die Gewohnheit des Journalisten und Menschenrechtsaktivisten Khalid Osman. Ist es sein?
Also in the next
Antworten Sie bitte in den Kommentaren und sagen Sie mir, in welchem Bereich.
Did you enjoy the tour? If so, read and do.
Hat Ihnen die Tour gefallen? Wenn ja, lesen Sie es und tun Sie es.
Subscribe to the channel.
Abonnieren Sie den Kanal. A friend is needed. Well, you know the rest. Ein Freund in Not ist. Na ja, den Rest kennst du.
Join the Feminist Rise community.
Treten Sie der feministischen Ascension Community bei.
When we build a community, we become stronger.
Wenn wir eine Gemeinschaft aufbauen, werden wir stärker. Start your day with this channel.
Beginnen Sie Ihren Tag mit diesem Kanal.
Lesen Sie auf 100-beautiful-sites-in-the-world.com über Orte, die bald verschwinden.
Read about places about to disappear at 100-beautiful-sites-in-the-world.com.
Germanize your journey.
Germanisieren Sie Ihre Reise.
Travel Germany cheaper.
Reisen Sie günstiger durch Deutschland.
Browse this site for all season travel 100-beautiful-sites-in-the-world.com.
Könnten Sie bitte etwaige Übersetzungsfehler korrigieren?
Could you please correct any translation errors?
Sehen Sie sich hier? Warum also nicht über Ihren Tag schreiben und wie er Ihnen gefallen hat?